sipping on the 1997 Wreck Rebuild 3rd Gen Honda Magna 750. Today, so I'm not interested in less sticky tires. I'm not filming me going down. Bike really turns heads. Those that are shaking your finger at you shouldn't be speeding, and those that just can't stand to know what that bike is. I had a guy on a ladder looking over. I'm like, yeah, buddy. Lots of people nod and smile when they hear the Vance Hines pipes coming through on this V4 Magna. It's kind of nice recognition. You can afford this bike. Especially you can find it with some work needing done. You made these from 94 through 2003, so they are a classic. Surprisingly, the 90s and the 2000s to me just don't seem like antique, but these are. It's crazy how time flies. Alright, downshift here. Weehaw! Like I said, it's in the 40s today, so I wouldn't push it like normal. This bike needed a good rip. Alright, my friends. It's cold. I'm going to catch you on the next one. Get on ride. And I'll see you back here in the next video.